Okay, now let us go for most important ideas that we have in a Cartesian plane. So first, let's go for distance formula. Distance between 2 points. Let us find distance between any 2 points, P x1 y1 up to Q x2 y2 in a Cartesian plane. This point is P and this point is Q. Okay, and we want to find the distance PQ equals to what? So we can simply write down this as PQ. The distance between these two is root under x1 minus x2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, now to derive this formula, a basic use of Pythagorean theorem is required. Okay, so you might want to draw a right angle triangle and try to find what is this distance. Okay, this is of course y1 minus y2, and this distance is x1 minus x2, and this is PQ simply. So PQ square is equals to x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square, and this will give the distance formula. Okay, and make sure that you level the points properly while doing any problems. Now let's go for midpoint formula. Midpoint in between px1 y1 to qx2 y2. Let us suppose that there's a point M. Let's suppose its coordinate is xy. We want to find that, which divides the line segment PQ exactly in 2 parts. That means PM equals to MQ. Then in this situation, the coordinate of mx comma y would be simply x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. We are just taking the average of the x coordinates and y coordinates. Okay, so that's the midpoint between any 2 points. Slope of line joining these 2 points, P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. So let's suppose there is this line which passes through these points P and Q. These 2 points are any 2 points. Okay, it can be any 2 points in a straight line. So the slope is usually denoted by m, and it's rise over run. What do we mean by rise? Rise means from this point P, okay, always choose the left point. You rise up to this point, okay, that's rise, and run means this point. Okay, so basically this is rise over run. This is rise over run. So what is the distance of rise? Simply this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So this will give you an idea that rise is y2 minus y1. Okay, that's the distance, vertical distance, okay, which is distance, vertical distance, and divided by horizontal distance. So vertical distance is y2 minus y1, and the horizontal distance is simply x2 minus x1. So that's the formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is the formula for slope, and slope is the most important idea while we are talking about straight line. Okay, and if you are intending to take calculus later on, then mark my words, you will bump into slope over and over and over.